हरिः कन्ना।
Next, we will look into a stem plot. A stem plot draws lines perpendicular to a baseline at each location and logs from the baseline to heads and places a marker there. For vertical stem plots, this is how it looks like. For vertical stem plots, this is the default one. So the logs LOC are expositions and the heads are Y values. Whereas for horizontal stem plots, the LOCs are Y positions and the heads are values. Okay, so the LOCs, the logs positions are optional. So in giving the exact LOC positions in uh, argument is optional. Let's look into one example so that you can have a better understanding about the same. Yeah, this one is stem plot. So stem of x comma y. So similar to that, let's take same one, plt and random seed. So x value 0.5 plus np dot a range of 8, same array will take. Whereas for the y value we will go for the 2,7 of length of x. So we'll go for the same x and y value because same data, if you represent with the stem plot, how does it look like? So that I want to I just want to show you that. So and then plot. Yeah, let's copy this. Data remains same, but we will draw a different graph from the same data. Let's plot the stem now. So fig comma x is equals to plt dot subplots, and let me put the axd and ax and use stem method and provide the x comma y values. So as we have discussed earlier, an x value, so you have two. One is a stem plot draws lines perpendicular to a baseline at each location, logs from the baseline to heads. So and then it places a marker there. So the vertical stem plots, the LOCs are expositions and the heads are y values. So here we give the both x, so the LOC and then y are marker. So now let me execute it, and here is your plot. It looks nice. Similar plot, you can see that the vertical, you see that the length of these LOCs is same. From here, this bar, the length of the bar is equals to so length of the LOCs. Other than that, this is having a marker on top. You see, you have a marker. It has a header on top. Other than that, rest all remains same. So now let me add even limits to that, so that we'll have a better view of it. So I'm adding a view to that, and let me say png dot, and here it is, the final view of it. So that's how our stem looks like. It's a vertical it's a vertical stem plot. So that's the reason the LOCs are expositions. The LOCs are expositions, and the heads are Y values. The heads are Y values, and you can see that clearly. Okay, if you want to see what's the x value, print x array, and you see that 0.5, one vertical line LOCS, 1.5 another vertical line, 2.5 another vertical line, 3.5 another vertical line, 4.5 another vertical line. So that's what the first one, LOCS are expositions, whereas when we say markers, 4.75, you see that the marker 5.5, you see that, and then 3.45, it's here 4.55. So basically the markers are the Y positions, and that's what is a vertical stem plot.